Hello there, a very warm welcome to another programming tutorial of Try It 1. So in the whole course we'll learn the basics of programming. In order to learn programming we will use the most basic programming language, known as QBasic. IT will help you to learn and understand the concepts very clearly, which will definitely help you in the upcoming programming languages. QBasic is the most basic programming language developed by Microsoft, for beginners to learn programming more easily and effectively. It is the most raw form of any programming language, which will add up to your skill. In the whole QBasic course, we will learn each and every concept of programming in QBasic from beginner to advanced, step by step. So this was all for this video. In the next tutorial we will learn how to install QBasic in your computer. Thanks for watching.